Hi, my name is John Michael Casilla. I am a student of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges enrolled as a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I am from Sagrada Bulacan, Camarines Sur. I applied as an intern at Naga City Hall at the Mayor's Office as part of the My Naga App team, which is part of the curriculum course on the job training. So during my internship at the My Naga App, we were assigned to triage cases during the morning, which consists of reviewing, labeling, and categorizing report cases from users from the residents of Naga City. Part of the work is also updating the status of the progress of the case and sending updates to the reports about the progress, then plotting the case to a map that shows the location of each case, which makes it easier for concerned office respondents to take care of an area's problem efficiently. We were given a list of projects we can choose from, so to which we want to work on, and I chose the case timeline viewer, which allows the admins and staff to see the history of the progress of each case. After I was done with this project, I began to work on other features and like maintaining systems and fixing bug errors. It was mostly fixing missing logos, invisible fonts when switching to dark mode and light mode, hover animation, and one time I made a security wall that stops users from jumping directly to routes without having to log in first. Now, when they try to jump routes, they will get redirected to the login page first. I was also tasked with creating filter buttons on an additional route, which our senior programming was working on, which was a new project during our internship that was assigned to him.
Oh,
Working on the project and task at my Naga app team, I was able to learn the basics of some new programming languages such as TypeScript, JavaScript, and I was able to utilize Tailwind, Tailwind CSS. I had fun trying to learn again how to use GitHub for version control in order to properly handle the project without having to worry about crashing the website during production. It was a very good experience with lots of lessons to learn that wasn't taught at school, and the staff and workers were very friendly and welcoming, and they would even sometimes treat us to lunch, dinner, and sometimes snacks. And I had a very good time having to spend my internship with them. It was a great journey, and it was a shame it had to end so shortly because we only had to work for about 162 hours, and I really wish I can work with again with such amazing people. So thank you to my Naga app team.